afi 2019 a yɛwromi be sure bo say program no e be de ye be pagya program na kosoro nya hwɛ sɛ bibia bia no e de mpuntu e be bre Ghana Agoro no na atimi akonanim itimi da so akai sɛ ɛna no pay so wo de wafidie no ana sɛ wo TV no e be to Adom TV na wahwɛ Agoro ne fo nene niema be na ye ba behwe na ye di ehu enkobo Ghana football na say no ohwa niema bebre na ekoso ewo mu obekaya na wotwi mu ensem bebre aba baako any normalization committee adwuma wo mu eye de aboa oman yi wonim se ya mo bosumi nsia se omo fa nsiesie Ghana football no emprapra ho nyina kama na afi yento aba enyi new FA president ene ne executive committee a ombetimi atoa so aye adwuma no de ama oman no nanso no yehu se because FIFA catch up say omon running the day-to-day affairs of the football association intino no so person the competition bi ba football event bi ba and also no eba beboa ama clubs no etime nya bibia ye ansa na ye wi a ya to aba no na sa competition no mo de ba no no mato ne din normalization committee special tournament and a special competition na ehun asema be deja Premier League clubs ne say format na yede bebo no wo mo eni nye ho sika na yede be ma wo mo no so sika no so eswa appearance fee ni swa afi so no normalization committee no gina ya wo si se wa wo be win competition no se wo club no ye ma wo sika normalization committee for na so no ebe pesca kakra ade ama players no na omo mfa nhye club ne nsa omo de be ma eye omo de be ma eye players direct and so clubs nso omo ntiase enti ne tentini ntiatie nyina ne say baby a ya bedu no 16 Premier League clubs ne say sa competition na normalization committee ne dia ba no womo embobi special competition omo mbo na emomu no womo ewo omo 16 club competition bi obeso omo bo a eno na womo de beyi team a obekọ Africa no omo 16 club competition bi a womo bebo nti normalization committee no embomu kwan na womo ntimi organize sa tournament no ni nyina nsema aba ende ye ba be brobro so na ye we nyina no na presidential aspirants omo mpese omo di FA president no so no ehun asem aba den na no pani ko hwe Kumase wo fred kwaku se pama kotoko game na omo ni as good boy no J4 foundation okodonate 20,000 Ghana campaign oye Kumase nya asem tetwa kejo kwaku so ono so eto 3,000 tickets e de free of charge Fred Papu wabekasa so ono so or contested sisi ami no kase no Elmina Sharks for director baako in fact the board chairman of Elmina Sharks Nana ya Ousu ono so kire say obe contested enti presidential election so no aye den because match ya na ye to aba me introduction awa but say hu say ensema ye bro the doorso plus Kumasi Asante Kotoko a osi akanya me yadoma ochina we nyina na ye de ebro ewo Agoro ne form djumadi ne so me de kwadwo mensa moshosho Ibrahim Babangida ewo hadmo baba akwaba yes ye hyase na abegyafo aka be join discussion no na fei get me akwa ni baba I think say we have to begin with the normalization committee special tournament any matters arising out of it me gidi say unim the genesis omuko shia ye ewo Alisa Hotel for the first time na ehokra no aseba ko eba ni whether we should declare the season say India na say end ye baby ema ekoba say echiye kura ba ho say yenko congress and ma yenko congress and son and e be do be adri what we you saying so far where the point are you doing
yeah the point here you drew clearly mama shase na me nchia wahwefo ewo wiase afa na nyina na the maiden edition for 2019 said the waka no adwumaden ye de besom Agoro ne form ene yahwefo ojo baby fi aba be dru kire se e wo se e ka bibi kire the normalization na wo mu speedy up near ten because gradually they are seeing the pass how the omuno dealing. Well, these people are smart in this particular sector of the economy. About football, you know, the smartness, the mafia, the way of sabotaging behind the scene, and then one normalization the to her, not clubs and the to her. But could you baby many clubs and ya drink a crabby said. where the normalization committee's format na kojo ka kire club bi say on resume campaign and club no resume campaign no not just the hostels are for the meantime what breaking the players ekwa onto your rent you know obe resume rent payment or be campaign Ebia probably over about 8 matches that will see the club traveling from Domahinkro to maybe Sogakope or probably Pando and I say Ebia Sekendi or where the distance. So what I say, that's a club who took coin about these matches basically 8. Not just or campaign per every campaign on any game, no, it costs to bear 4,000 to 5,000 Ghana cedi. Then it means that the appearance fee basically a basic akituebi. May now testify said the spectatorship or Ghana say no club can rely on spectatorship apart from probably Accra folk in Kumasi Asante Kotokwa. Ebi umbet rely on their greater number of support so kojo it means say a bad day financially at the clubs, you know. But I was of the view say there was a clubs understanding the people who are on the committee. Say they are not true and true football people about the day-to-day running of football. And they said you see football as a social event now. When you understand the likes of Udo Safomo, the likes of George Friemo, the likes of Keto Krekumo, not just the likes of Kudo Fianumu, the likes of Kumsemua, at the game next year channel. That is not how Dr. Kufiamu Amote. So sometimes they must understand. Because you 64 clubs ever into a competition. Now, these 64 clubs are ever into competition with Division 1 and Division Premier League combined. Because you're assuming without admitting, near 2 Division 1 clubs are eco final. Near said that the normalization committee, special competition, and ever be teams are able to progress to CAF Champions League and Confederation next season. There. Now, Utimusa Kwambisono, a mere logic. Because minim say in the CAF Champions League, can any team outside the elite division, Kojo ebetimi akọ Champions League na e wo CAF mrem say e ba say elite division enya ho na wo you are in the lower tier probably division 1 or division 2 no what me emerge as winner of the normalization committee na say una wo represent Ghana e wo the CAF Champions League. I think say amfa. So for me normalization committee should give it a retort say bia kwan ya ye fa so ayi yen club a representation for us in Africa next season. The Premier League clubs, the 16 Premier League clubs are what the locals, whether the season is truncated or not, those who have that locals and that identification as the Premier League clubs, should indulge in that competition. Many clubs are doing 100%. Then the eventual winner of that competition progresses to the CAF Champions League. And yes, Obeka said the normalization committee special tournament, and so the winner no cranko confederation. Well said, because I'm of the view say confederation there, any club other than the elite side can partake. Ghana Division 1 club, ebetimi qualify for a confederation. But I don't think say Ghana club ebetimi qualify for a CAF Champions League. So assuming without admitting the 64 club competition, the 4 semi-finalists in the Division 1 clubs are can say. So the NC should rather give it a thought kakra. Or just secondly, clubs are not so Ebasana clubs and a one no quando because you are the same clubs. Yamamo credit to 200 Ghana cedi MTN credit 200 Ghana. Emamo FA Cup matches for Ghana. You make that same trips. You travel from Waha to Sogakope in that FA Cup. Waha
live on Adom TV and when you go so should not grow for me the Quadro men some show that clubs no as you say one more competition now normalization committee there I'm talking about the special competition. I don't want some year cano. It's been back and forth sir, within the week. But finally, clubs national normalization committee for the say they will go ahead and organize their competition. Clubs say they want to play a 16-team CAF Champions League qualification league. But that competition must be sanctioned by the Football Association. Say normalization committee for unsanctioned competition now. 16 Premier League clubs in Bessel they cannot play it because Omunya Tumi on the ball. But as a band now on our floor.
I mean, to us, indeed, it's about say Omumi will be a better than young question. Now, with the issue of say club representing African, I think it's the FE determined to be ultimately. But we will all be happy to go with the Premier League club because of say we believe say or call to live the image of the GF, and young person will be as I so, I even think, say, with the issue of Skasamne Bemun, it will be better saving the 48 Division 1 teams in Koyan coming down. We should also care about the cost of mobile. The team free northern sector, not about the southern sector. Now, we only mean the teams there, apparently finish, it will affect them. Because this is the time, I'm planning to play any competition now. So they are going to be forced to put in money. It is going to be a better baby. What do we hear much be said? Team beer or leg table no will be a soccer baby because already a quite work on back.
Okay.
It will affect us. These are some of the key factors here. The Premier League 16 teams can play on their own for the Champions League. But I keep on asking myself this question. Who will suffer if this competition as well? And I don't expect normalization to conduct any competition if there is 16 Premier League teams now. Nobody goes to stadium to watch unknown players and feel happy. Unless you go and you discover a talent over there. If you are watching a football match, now who players be only more money, they make it boring to the time I will say play be bobo, so you have to sit down and watch. A game, a tournament in Ghana with that has Kotoko, Mediema, Adriana, I don't know.
I say about Division 1 League.
Division 1
League.
Division 1 League.
Lions womb, Dreams FC womb, Vision FC womb, Okonofa, Brekuma Star womb, BA United womb, Bofakwa womb. They are playing. But
last season here, I was working for Ochima Planners. We call Venice people Division 1. Say nipa best stadium on the better on Comboka.
Na say among ka say nipa best stadium.
Say nipa do don person
say competition. No see fan keep clubs no normalization.
Say person here say you be keep them active. We all understand. Say the exodus in our league affect the Premier League better than Division 1 for. The Division 1 Premier League teams makes money from transfer than them. So if we should think about the Ghana football, it's about Ghana football. And even if you are selling a player from Division 1, it's a player about Division 1, only Bob was saying, maybe 150,000 K or Premier League, it will increase by 250. The Premier League carries huge weight, and we should understand them. What I think is that one thing, normalization, the core mandate is there. Let's say football competitions comes in say addition to that. It is no say George to join intermediate man. We question it. They shouldn't waste that $800,000. No, it's the taxpayers' money. And Mojo, I didn't to everyone. Premier League teams now someone work say normalization decide to give the winning team innovation of that amount of the money on play. And not dear at Abraka. Just a simple one. Mojo is my grandfather. Oh, you are my dad. Oma Musamo is Casa Famame, Naman Kuskuno, Bisafatum. Oh, we know some many way in front of what I was saying. Muso is my grandfather. And one more is Casa, Jennifer Fabi school, now Fabi show. That is the money or the Ama clubs Nina, or the Ama do in the way. And was a many grandfather, son, Amikusku. Take this for Toffee. Also, issue with it. Meaning,
you say a violation of their labor rights. So no one hide the service of any players.
The club trying to tell us
employees back into all competition. Now we free nechi.
But
hold on. But yet Dr. Kofi Amwa on this particular issue.
We know me Ghana citizens. They say, "Oh, you are media. Me a businessman. Say I buy dream bibi ho obedwun me ho. uhwe footballer obi a club owner so odnisika kote club obi so ye football player say la we mu nyina obi aye Ghanaian citizens FIFA any aban atu ya si wo say Ghana football ye me ye so na ye ba ye no ye ni obi ahia ye ni club owners ahia ye tie omo nsem eniema omo fi say ntie ma omo adwuma nkoso ye ni referees ahia ye ni players so ahia players nso aka wɔn nsɛm a enko yie to de bi ntua moka akatua de ma mu nusua nisua no koraa so enye consistent so na wohwɛ football no a the first important year of football a player no so sɛbi aburukyiri koraa wɔn ayɛ ama deɛ no atoto yie no obi kɔ park akɔhwɛ yie a ɔkɔhwɛ Ronaldo so ɔnkɔhwɛ Juventus ogyeduru hɔ a player no na ɔkɔhwɛ no nti yɛyɛ fi sɛ cleansing no ayeyo no ne ahode e pese de ba Ghana football no o pese ye bibi ma obi ahuru se player no so ye important enye se ye ma ye club una no kwa ne huru ye so obi ehuru Ghana fo nyina ehuru se normalization se player no also ye important nti si ye nye sika bi na ye de reform Ghana football a ade e de ba no ye nka se club no ne ye de ma wona wo yi bia ma player no ye se club.
Okay, and that argument, and I'm saying that, sir, issue we are about only one match. It is not true at the tournament.
No.
Only the winner, or say, normalization for the say. Yabo tournament in the Jobel lifted trophy, no. Yabama no 100,000 Ghana cedis say, wo prize any year. But players now which now park no no my idea no normalization for the say
registered players
30 registered players no normalization say obecho whisker for so my idea to obecho whisker and on na clubs say omo ntia say normalization for edis can my players in direct na mo yen first can ma omo club no na mo sign enchema players no normalization for say there be wo club dey amount 100,000 G they achew but players in there yanka sign obecho my dear. I don't know where
now me use this analogy. The normalization stands as the grandfather. The clubs are the parent. And also, our parent is Fabi Tum, Fabi Fasha Banum. That is the scout the amount $100,000. And you know, say, what is your problem? Do you have an issue with no? So we'll be the so we'll be above Nigeria League. They should ask them. The governors and the people, the big men who support you, they give the players money. They give them this thing regularly. Okay. They do that regularly in Nigeria. Obi mo be open Nigeria League. You should go and ask them. They do this regularly. Okay, so I'm can say normalization decided to say we're giving only the clubs this money. Players this kind of be among you accept that. So if there is an innovation at the moment, and I think the normalization, if they want to keep the clubs active, now the club don't want to be active, they should just forget about it. Yeah,
this is how football Ghana over the years how can any plenty. We were running a system. Club administrators enrich themselves with football. The 16 Premier League clubs, the owners of the 16 Premier League clubs in Ghana are super rich.
Are the players rich?
That is my main building the case. See mansions and villas, club administrators, team Ghana. But I can't count up to 10 players. AC in the Ghana Premier League. One more Thomas so Wakra. So no one else a 3-bedroom apartment for his future. Unto me. So this is a clear exhibition of how greedy some football people and some football administrators are. Just as the analogy, but Masaban said the buy. Me when you bra a woman say my bet as a sponsor Agoro form and I'm a sponsor Ultimate Sports Show. With this amount, I'm in a multimedia Ghana agree. Outside the amount, you know, could you mean some show our tier community and then a pound for a year, you man? Why you almost so bomby de Roma Mintino? This is $20,000 here. Could you only a pound for one multimedia cement?
What is your beef?
Did you say this kind of multimedia?
And one scenario, one scenario, Urban say, Ghana ni. Yeah, the 1 billion Mushushu was a farmer man. I mean, from Komako, I've been a man.
I don't need the difficulty. I'm saying that Katia cross and all the matches and quantities are.
And I know the
and the brain behind which that day I was in the auditorium and they said, You see motivated players, no,
Yes.
will be fighting for that 100,000 Ghana
Yes.
cedis, no. Apart from club now on the original 100,000, no, the 100,000 there no, for only the players.
Yes.
And to move share competition as here, the mindset of every player must be said. 100,000 is a chamber players.
It brings
Obi a-
competitiveness. It brings competitiveness.
There's a club no crowd mama hwea wo de anu mommy enka ehum mommy enti
Yeah, target is 100,000.
Ye nipa 30 no ye
One
target
change-
100,000
start me be
at least the players who win eventually will be able to anya sase e wa kra ha afi this competition.
Yeah.
The team that will win na ye chess 100,000 the 30 players are the 30 players can boast of 30 individual plus in Ghana. That's the more the near here one is a musisi mansions near here one is a more patchy Range Rovers and the Land Cruisers akese and cars papa will live at your comfort na players are no so far we crowd should have been for the first time I say and football people hail the normalization
could be about the same.
body same for the first time.
Yeah, Baba, I was
So,
shocked. Yahya Mohammed condemned this. I was really shocked when Yahya Mohammed condemned this. It is wrong.
Opinion are like noses.
That's why I was shocked.
In his opinion,
I was shocked.
Yahya Mohammed's opinion, let's say, Yemfama Club, that is Yahya. Who has
was
gone,
shocked.
who has that is Yahya, who has had the opportunity of going foreign about 3 or 4 times. I will know what me as say $100,000 contracts in his life. It be Yahya may be better off than the brothers.
Then he's been selfish, just like the Carbonate. And some of the
okay.
owners have
Now,
if you come out with it, now it's almost selfish. And the welfare of the players, no matter, it is verbal thing. They are not ready to practice it. So also open the welfare of the players. No beach that they answer you. Yes, for man now offer command.
Competition we cry. Why football administration should have welcomed it? And yet then I hide the service of a lawyer for close to 10 years. Only barrister Robia will play only solicitation be our yemawa. You are arresting the lawyer. And yet then hide the service of players. Who more contract. When I was here so they are inactive, you are paying them. So for the first time, you've had an opportunity for the player to be active.
Now, issues are, hold on.
Okay.
Issues are clubs in raising, let me just highlight the issues are clubs in raising here. Because 16 Premier League clubs in raising normalization for Antiasia and almost one. Appearance fee, which is 20,000 Ghana cedis per team. Second, format. I'm saying format na bono. And yet, they don't agree with the format. Third, say the obi winning South tournament no Eco Africa no and also so Montiasi and say about elite league premier I say the team obeko Africa no especially the CAF Champions League and a third one no say my account format account 20,000 and a third one no sika na the obi winning no yeah they better players separately no but my difficulty with the 20,000 almost years one is obi a follow Ghana football bia when you see the clubs take this position you must be worried.
It's a deliberate
especially
attack.
At this time
It is a deliberate attack.
Especially at this time normalization because this call is coming at the wrong time to me.
Yeah.
Because my boligo I'm saying that the FA Cup now the example yeah, a lot of people need
Lot of
Sponsorless
MTN credit voucher.
yeah, more accommodation.
Derby.
Yeah, more feeding.
Derby.
Yeah,
Yeah,
more
transport. Derby.
So why are they saying say competition with it? It doesn't cover all your expenses into more. No, I'm asking you whether it's not legitimate to ask.
It's a deliberate attack.
It's really not a rhetorical question. It demands an answer.
Yeah.
Say, an 8-game format league. I would me bought a 30 league.
Sponsorless league.
A 30-game format league without sponsorship, without transport, without feeding, without accommodation. But what being this opportunity? Yes, we players know you're rusty. There's an opportunity to get them back into activity. That is one. Secondly, competition, it's going to give players a tremendous exposure, particularly if normalization, it means lazy up with start times are already or a headline, TV partner with the association. Now it means even the opportunity to explore your players to the international market. Now, what they abeka on the modality or the format. Cross checking. It shows, say, even the power to show the elite competition in the country is in the bosom of the normalization. They decide, they say,
the bosom of the FA.
The FA, that is the FA. They decide the elite competition.
Yeah.
So Master Bansi make an academic argument here. Say, Uko England, even the League Cup, the KF previously, the Carling Cup, has a slot in the who plays in Europa League from England. So what they say, where the fifth place side in the Premier League, so Econo, that Carling Cup, whether
if you go
it's from
Spain,
the Championship.
If you go to Spain, Copa del any slot be away.
Okay. Well, hold on. Now, you're now home live on Adom TV, Agoro form, and when it goes out, you know, yeah, by this year. When you go so well, you go so AD Jumano, Agoro form so. Now, yeah, twice on. Maybe I do know, you're club administrator. I think say clubs now must have 16 Premier League clubs, you know. Now, you was one of the 16 Premier League clubs, you know, paying for back who had more. Or a director of Brekum Chelsea Football Club, Nana Odro Safo of Sibostro Consult. And he, where the say, Kufuno, and Atom Quanimo come up, and he in 7 years, the womb on country, now, baby, I look see. Nana, Aquaba Machin. Yeah, that's it to Safros, what yes, so.
Who don't see?
Okay. Nana, I'm saying this week it's been back and forth between the Premier League clubs and the normalization committee. Take us through, Kakra. I don't know, how did we get here? The kind and sign up clubs and Musi, I say, after the more tournament.
Yeah, Dikan, we will give you say, Nipa a share Agoro form. Don't want it as a Adom program, especially sports.
Okay.
Antino, ya wadano, I'm saying, me hot argument on radio. I want to use opportunity to apologize to viewers and action and then one more show TV so, radio so. I say, we are 75 no, we di bufo kakra bai. Antino, omo ami nyame ye bia no anya won fe no, won fa nche me. Me de kan mo show. Asem we enya asem bia wo se ka edu nia edu no. Every say, young fan say, almost for say, the voice of the people. So be I they say, in ball, in football, they want to bring football back. Even before then, the Gaka come out on competition, be a craft 64 clubs in and I'm not and I'm say, oh, more fan to an amount of the rubber. A channel, and premier, so they call say, your 16 league clubs, if I say a ball competition be, now can young crowd the competition airborne because there's no league, you know. FIFA Article 4 of the engagement in the CAF engagement now. Oko number 7 or say a cry ye ball yes ye giant ball abro 1 year no on to me in fact club beer in Africa. Anti say ya mobi na yam pebi obi amfa nkwa into FIFA club beer in Africa. And I'm saying trade pebi so. And in this case, you say, if I say the African, Papa, chairman, catcher say, no, you can't take this to Africa. No more budget way, and they go for budget buy. I say, Musika way, and they say, okay, the competition will get the money. That will $1 million. Good. And in a Muna, your coach here and be say, you was 64 competition, 64 team competition for football. And in a Moon number, and there's main modalities, and also main modalities by a share on the 8. You modalities.
Okay.
You born the 8 and you modalities. You modalities. You bisa funding. What is cano? Say there's money, but one year most can be actually the non-co. Until a bar son, and see what modality or the 2 one. You're sharing or much chair or say it doesn't confine with international best practice. Because sebi mujumu hakra bi na mo ye. Na say multimedia for nyina ye bia. Me nya sure say privileges are e be ma menua immortal fan cheme. E be ma immortal akoye ansawo mo show akoye. Privileges are e be CD. So be o se nkola akoro e be CD. Antino competition bia na ye CD. Anti e be hwa ade na CD nim.
Ghana Premier League na CD. Premier League na na mbon CD.
Premier League no aye league.
Okay.
And your competition.
Okay.
A league all by itself. Yasheshe level playing ground. But also FIFA, TP Mazembe, El Ali, Zamalek, I was a Vita, Raja, among prelims.
in Africa competition. Because they see them. Good. And I mokoye balloting cry say edibia ko hotspots. Hotspot 2. Good. And you share and say, oh, Papa ya di odiba ye di. Say, make papa na I'm being personal.
What na ka NC normalization.
NC idea odiba ye di. Nyansa wom. Na at least no. And I'm say omo enye football for true football for no. I'm say nipa ye idea ma ono. It brim we ni so. Anthony ye fan to ye ko meeting immediately meeting no and the far committee no papa there yes. Yen CD yen, see CD yen.
You see the 16
clubs no, Premier League clubs no. Na division 1 for no, any can ball 1 or 2 matches. Anti baba we room. Na ye anti ye be room a ye buemu a obenya division 1 wa obenya premier ha. But ni aye bo no, se yan hwe yi a e be wie eche na premier kwa akodia na division 1 kwa akodia. Yen so say ye dey sa competition no e Africa. That was our aim. Until Randy pumping. Until no say o ye de sa no a wan hwe no ankonya quality. Uma division 1 for kwa akodi ha be wonya quality to go to Africa. Until yen spread it na anya very competitive.
Premier wa ha division 1 wa ha
division 1. Na premier engusu yes. Ya funtum. And that's what we say. Until yes I didn't we and ye share ye no. Na instead of 8 matches now what say ye bono. Yen ko ye de na akwa 10 matches. Oko obi ye radio say 8 matches. Misika me di ye ni. Na say woko ka say wo person 10 matches. Na say kala buoche no so wo.
Okay. Na say only 2 more matches about team bia match.
Many will ka say 20,000 I see e dey ma ye no. Krata ye de call hina wo bi egu animi we dey ya na de ma want to
we mu de
I dey go badwom hina yen ka 20,000 sen wo. We've not addressed that issue say isa but independently no opinions no
like individual class
no measure me say my measure me there say me boka 3,060 Ghana on each match.
Okay,
good. Until no yen fa no mba ho and yen san fa players be tia on ka no mba ho yen ye issue aye ka sisia no ye format no
is the premier form main issue
format no so what's the format no but I say me free meeting na si ko fie ko dwen ho before say communication anko yi from normalization
to the clubs.
Yes, because near under question ya teach no we nua no fanche me ebia sika no ba mo na eyina yese oye logo league calculation no say agent dey ni administrator ni club dey ni FA dey ni no the good craft aso akere
eno ni logo league calculation
say yese odisika and we find say why ye bibi ka akere na ya agiatum na sika do na kono ho na akodi no problem asem me ka what you say ba good and in this case no we no cry no press no any Ghana for you ka say enye transparent and in this case no ade a wo ye ma ye no wo ye cry no the class no wo ye ade no the class no anwe ho enye hwe one fair class no bisa say calendar and am programs are will be available enye hwe one san fa me to say sika bi nya ye no 800 no say enam dey competition, say them the administration, say them the teacher salary. And yen as a class, your full said there is $800,000. And if there's
for you people,
yes, for the competition.
For the competition,
yes.
Yeah.
So if there's $800,000, the competition. Let's say yen too much said back on. Everyone I call $1.2 million there, and yeah $400,000 na can. Yen clubs will bring it. Now yeah back normalization meeting. Yen to me go kuku scam famba. Yet mean to check if I'm back. And I say, at the meeting, you say, we are guaranteeing that money. Obiki or guarantee, no first come over. And in this case, no, the normalization near Simbia, in le yet hey. So normalization frank actually say, me feel say once more Mokano, Yansa womb, but Modia, yen to me shamu 100%, you be shamu 60, you be shamu 70%. Okay, we will play.
Okay. Now I'm saying when I would try, I mean from chronology of events, said the Niama Esifa Aqua. And you raise certain issues. For example, the format. For example, the apart from the format, there was issue of like individual clubs in there is the issue of appearance fee
20,000
and then we are also scan I say the players no and then see winner no ye African representatives
from
free
that
competition no ediako nyama 4
yeah
okay nana sa nyama 4 yi na no what me resolve ni nyina amanaka format ne pa na
nyama 4 no awomu no yen nia yini coach de pa no Africa no because like we quote quotation chire on an article no people be adwin call so
say one more competition
for 1 year yes stop competition no one more for 1 year untumi nko
until June na
1 year until no nipa bi nko until yen ye dey yen say one in the first place no but say me nua no mo kan La Liga English football na se for Minia Champion League you born in England no
Champions League born UEFA no UEFA Champions League
in England crew no say the rights of the Premier clubs Division 1 club bien in the Champion League no we Champion League
yes correct
if there's a competition FA Cup ebeboa and the second division Division 1 and the Premier League no united to boss at the pre-confederation
okay
meaning say Europa so sada mo ye no
Europa no
omo after 4 no
depending on in the country so
agreed until ye say ye competition a competition be a preserve for Premier League clubs be ye Champion League no preserve for Premier League
only Premier League clubs
yes
they said ye Oko England
yes
Champions League is reserved for Premier League clubs sana ayemra convention by convention but no law
no we in football we take the convention Ghana League Ghana statute
okay that is not captured
it's not captured
so you do it
but we always go to the CAF regulations and they say the elite club the elite competition
or can national league
national league
I think CAF says
when they say national league national league doesn't comprise Division 1 Division 2
yeah but the word is national league
but it doesn't comprise Division 1 Division 2 the league that is paramount to the nation
can the football association like the federation can any federation decide on because I'm not too sure on club or Champions League and can the federation decide any CAF prerogative
federation can decide that only by approval of the clubs at Congress
okay
to say everybody league na Congress we as a league I be boy
okay
ye bo na say about 24 matches na say about 24 matches we na say e bia BBC
yeah
e be ja league no bo and about 24 matches we pe obi anu say e ade ya agiatum
okay
obi sisi obi
accepted
yes playing flat playing ground for okay. all of us
okay
until no Congress bit ma agiatum say this time never anti racy issue be on Tuesday no meeting as I say regulation say the abano because of the see where late cap no we feel say I was say yema Congress they approve regulations no if you heard me
a competition regulations
yes okay. I raise that issue because if we no who say me no lobo uti ni or premier my you were litigants me say me a litigant anti no me hwe e ma ye mbon wie ade won football no yankopon e che ade ejuma bie ni wiase ma so football industry no the players the journalists the sellers the panephilia the sellers the mom ye football mom ye jerseys na dos pa
yeah
and in this case no yankopon san ma o ma say ekuo ni ekuo on fa sakasaka nhim and they bear the loss.
Yeah, because the reason why I'm bisa was I say can't more clubs, you know, any normalization because you say, but paragraph 4 of more release I'm the buyer and I'm more response to normalization. More say we are prepared to move forward with 16-team Premier League, CAF Champions League qualification. Tournament as presented to and approved by the normalization committee. Okay. Now, the bone of contention is say, yet to be more competition when any club or Champions League. Can't you agree that as a federation, more clubs, any normalization, can't you all agree, say, because we are not in normal times, some competition when they decide say, you be a club, I'm not Champions League. Can't you agree? I'm just asking you.
We can. Okay. But the issue has taken is say, and the catcher said the Champion League is the birthright of the elite clubs.
Elite clubs.
Yes, which is the Premier League.
Are you non-negotiable?
Yes.
Is it law?
Oh, that have been the practice, accepted practice.
Yeah, but so it can be changed.
Yeah. Oh, changing can be done only by Congress. Changes can be done only by Congress.
And the convention,
Congress will have to approve it. Convention who made
because it's not captured in the law.
It's not captured in the law. So if you want it to be
part of your
if you want it to be law, no, then Congress have to approve it. Because it's a convention. You can't turn it as a convention to disadvantage of anybody.
Okay. Okay, so going forward, what do you think is the way forward?
When I can stepping down there can and competition will start. Let's assume it's all started February 3rd.
Yeah.
And February 9th or plus 16. Yes, your premier competition be started alongside. And the premier competition started alongside. We more bonus so tier. We be 16. No more ba.
No be join anymore. But Satana mo bo modie.
No boy die.
Modie is it not in a league format?
Yeah, they home and away like we. The same. You know what I say? A frat say knockout, league, Division 1 league, and then Premier League.
Okay.
A frat. You bought 8 matches, home and away, home and away, home and away. So say, will be seeded. Now, clubs are for the year bought knockout competition to get the winners.
What the criteria a common normalization for? What will be a few
unfortunately, normalization. You almost started Agoro in November. Criteria will be no more answer. It is only this when we took this entrenched position. Say 1 year I am born. And I'm my crata me, my crata me, yes, I'm crata back. No, Sakamo lunch adiano Friday, or more you call 14th. Mimo GDS say 777 the Kofiana, the Kofiamo at one 777 on your beer.
Okay, Nana, hold on. Yeah. Because of the system, hold on for me. I was for Nana Odro Safo, director of Brecon Chelsea Football Club. Or consistent Premier League clubs now, or take positions. Neman Sasa competition and normalization, there were no more. My and I am more to talk about. Yeah, but she's here. Live on Adom TV, and when you go so our channel. I was for easy. Okay, so Nana Odosafo, as we speak, the position of the 16 Premier League clubs, and then they say, some special competition because of the format. No, you won't take it part.
No, say say the structure as it is. It's a message now already here.
Message already here.
As a tazi or also we have that no can send me. And fancy message, but already baby. As a what can we send be? Once the structure no see it no and here more. And as now no Sunday the 2 minutes and some there and say about 10 o'clock. Let's say they will go ahead with that test. At about 10, we didn't find necessary to reply them. And then they started calling by phone.
Okay.
And we told them said they should go ahead with the threat. And they sent a letter. This time sent a letter to individual 16 league clubs to confirm participation. Fortunately, unfortunately, one club confirmed it was not the rep any meeting.
That's good, yeah.
Okay. But in the evening, they wrote to withdraw that letter.
Okay.
And told the committee say they are in solidarity with the Premier League.
Okay.
And you know, based on the amount of structure, so to me, they should ban.
Okay, do you say normalization for no a compromise kakra?
Yes.
You bet me I make headway.
Of course, yes. Sure, yeah, no.
Because I want for people say more clubs. No. Why am I saying more frustrated process?
Oh, no.
You want to frustrate the process?
Sure, yeah, why?
1% normalization be weird within the period.
Papa, normalization every age man ne. Me bossy. And yes, I'm in pet doctor, but football will come back with the structures. And trust me, say, I'm happy with what has happened. Actually, me say, in the next FA government, whoever are in authority, ain't easy.
But I'm not for say, why didn't you do that at first?
Oh, and only as some are yet more can, Papa, yeah, feel say, yeah, ball. And Niama and Koye na press no boy, press the boy, and 7 ya dream we. Press na jom ye and that's some see and be say, go first one can say no correct. Ya jatum, say, ya ni mpinifono ya dear crano. Ya sure letter cry the man. Yeah, I say, you found my press no, yeah, the command if anything, committee no first before the press. We decided not to play that game with them. But today, no, that is the norm of the lie. Say, the press, the Agoro. No.
Now, what me person be phone lines kakra. The last 5 minutes, maybe I will be your contribution. Yeah,
Mr. Omunya would tell me.
Oh, so now so by Wakasabo call. BBI come on 0302. Okay, 03022 11305 03022 11306. The other cell by 705 and 706 0302211 705 and 706. Okay, it is 0302211 or 706. Nana Odru Safo Ewa. Nana, enti mo competition na mo di aba no. Normalization a sanction di amamo. Enti dabe na mo start mo.
Yes, starting early February, near end 15th June.
Early February. Mo ending 15th June. So Saturday about Cup of Nations.
Cup of Nations, about starting 15th June.
Yeah.
But under normal circumstances, we cannot play matches on the day Ghana is playing. That's having the practice. We say because when I restructured the thing, I said I wanted 9th June. Okay. So we can have time.
Egypt. Alfred Kumasi. Alfred, good morning.
Good morning, Monsieur.
Alfred Mpacho, yet will come here to you.
Yes, we are Simon. Yes, yes, some baby. And yes, some baby. You who say I deny at the end of the day, a bit imagine another intimate. If you offer competition, be bad now at the end of the day, it's a who free or not intimate to us. And you know who near class or the baby in the first place. And see also bet ya a player's card. Is it after the next year court elections that so you because what your players come by the FA and answer day? Yeah,
Alfred, I mean a small correction be. Sir, Aketriano, only for the winner of the tournament. Tournament now.
What was you? A winner of the tournament, but may say, yeah, she should be a young structure. You bet him follow. Well, and yes, I be a young one of. One, yeah, dear, you bit who say, I do we the next 10 years can stand the
okay. All right, Alfred, that's it. Sam. Moko Sam, Yatonka. Hello, Moko Sam.
Moso.
Yeah, me bacho twaso di enko.
Moso, dia me do was go me Moko Sam. Na Moso, dia make an say on. Since ya ti ko man mu football enko so. So, ani ye bon pass normalization mla. Nanka enima bi atu sina enkoye no yes sene ne ma papa mla sisi amoso ko mo crowd for mo so ko bo ise ni ethics committee bi ya ho eni discipline committee bi ya ho no mo enti mo se mo crowd mo tournament na se mo bo na se BBC a ho na e ko transfer asem ne so So you be simple for no football na say you see ye when na system mo football is ex committee no is not committee no and the protocol na as go in asema one na metan aka mo sale ko normalization for one e be sere mo football na say dire mo tena ma na say munya ya botre na munya ko na yi say wi a moto aso
okay yeah I say Francis e wa mo ko sabe I say hello Francis
Inti asama odu safo ate tama no kwati nyanteki
mo ko sabe Francis am say hello Francis
me ba chosa owa odu safo tama ote ho na asama wo ka no ndi tama kwati nyanteki ate so no tata na ta agen no na no mutirimu ana hello
yeah Francis ba cho yeah
me ba cho me say asama ho
okay, you fancy Nana. I'm saying side issue one day within the week and I'll let you come and address it. Because people who say yamu ye nyina ama anye abranya that you normalization ba na moyere mu na moya but ye time asunti we dem am last week na ye hwe de
with the callers na friends omo ye very sensible submission contribution.
Yeah.
But if we say a new done say idea say normalization be mo pa na say idea no enye e be normalize no until this time obi a wadwan da bia no sorry
Ntima sorry
na boa manyi
Ntima sorry
yes obi a wadwan da bia sorry
that say thank you for passing through. Okay, we bacho na Odro Safo of Sibosro Consult or a director ewo Brekum Chelsea Football Club. Nana, thank you very much. Mo abutimi hwe nyina yadama say the producers